Hello, I'm John.
Hello, I'm Nancy. With Smiley the Frog, we make up J&N Travels. We have been snowbirds for over 5 years.
Snowbirding has kept us in Florida, swimming in January while 3 feet of snow falls into our home state of New Hampshire. We have had annual passes to the three major parks, Disney World, Universal Studios, and SeaWorld.
We volunteer at Give Kids the World and enjoy meeting new friends, old friends, and YouTubers.
For the first time, we are becoming grandparents. We'd like to take everyone along with us as we enter J&N Travels, the next generation. Thanks for joining us on episode 3 of J&N Travels, the next generation. As we travel the back roads of New Hampshire, today's episode involves a baby porcupine that visited our yard and hasn't left since, a trip to East Hill Farm in New Hampshire, dog sitting, which was supposed to last one day but ended up lasting the whole week, a look at Nancy's rhubarb garden.
So today I'm going to make some rhubarb bread, and I'll show you where I grow my rhubarb. Here's the plant right here, and I've got another little plant here growing. So I'm going to pick the rhubarb, and it takes about a couple of cups of rhubarb to make 2 loaves of rhubarb bread.
Now, these are actually your second plants, right?
Yeah, I already made 2 loaves of rhubarb, and I used all those plants. This is a second batch.
So by the end of the summer, these should be able to be used for bread, more bread.
Yep.
Okay, let's go see a final result.
Okay. Okay, it took me about an hour to make 2 loaves of rhubarb bread. And like I said earlier, all you need is 2 cups of raw rhubarb. And you put the raw rhubarb in the batter so you don't have to cook the rhubarb ahead of time. And the recipe that I use always makes 2 loaves.
If you want 3 different rhubarb recipes, rhubarb jam, bread, and muffins, check out Nancy's Kitchen under our playlist on J&N Travels. It looks like we've come into East Hill Farm. It looks to me like a bed and breakfast setup, and look at these are very friendly donkeys. Hello. Aren't those cute donkeys, Nancy? These animals all seem so friendly. They come over to the gate. Look at them. They all come running over to you. Oh, hello. Oh, look at these goats. These animals are the friendliest animals. Hello. See if you can get some grass there for it.
Hello.
There's the other one running over.
No, I don't have any food for you.
See if there's any grass they'll eat, Nancy. Look at them all. Nancy, look at them all.
Oh my gosh, you're cute too. I don't have any food. Good.
Then you walk up this hill, and I think we're in the area for the cows. So this, I think, is a main area. There's a restaurant in there and a small swimming pool. There's some lodging back there. They have a cute little thing for kids to play. A covered wagon here. A tractor, I guess. Hey, big fella. Look at these guys, huh? Handsome critters, aren't they, Nance? You like the horses, Nance?
Beautiful, yeah.
Look at the pink, Nancy. Pink things on the ears.
I know.
They must have gotten rid of all the pigs. Oh, I spoke too soon. We just have a fat pig that doesn't move much. Look at him. Look at him. That's why this looks like he never moves outside. If you look closely, Nance, there's 2 in there. See one right behind him?
Oh, yeah.
But
Oh, I see.
they're not very active. I had heard that there were piglets out here, and they'd go all around the mud, and these guys look like they never go out, do they?
Yeah.
Big, fat, lazy pig. So Nancy, you think these are guinea hens, huh? So they're all running around. You think these are guinea hens? I think we saw most of the animals. A lot of these are rental guest rooms. There's a restaurant in there. And I guess there's an outdoor pool. And I had heard there's a little bit of an indoor pool too. So these are all kind of cottages, right, Nance?
Yeah, they're called.
At the top of the mountain here, there's a swimming pool and a great view of Mount Monadnock.
We're gonna go inside for a second. Not for any real life.
Shuffleboard, picnic area. Mount Monadnock. Go in like everyone else. So this is the main entrance. There's a lobby here, I guess. Gift shop. This is the dining area. Looks like crafts that they were making today. Man, look at this room. Just kind of a lounge area. They call it a ski room. Looks like a little bit of a library, give and take library. Some handmade quilts.
Oh, there's a map of the Monadnock region.
Yeah. This is all like separated in different rooms. Must have been an old.
Once you're done with that, once you're done with that, then you take the cards in your hand. We're going to turn over one more card.
Another room.
Exactly. Five cards.
These are all just little lounge areas for people to go off and be by themselves. Guess you have to go through the ping pong area. All right, the indoor pool is kept locked so that there's no accidents. So we're in it now. Yes, want to see if the water's warm? It's a cute little indoor pool. So we found 2 outdoor pools and 1 indoor pool. Nice and warm. We've got the key. Not good. Well, we tried. Let's move on.
I think the end table looks like a turtle.
Actually, it does. I didn't
Doesn't
think
it?
of that.
Yeah, it does. It looks like a turtle.
This is a little bit of a treat. So you have your 3 different cookies that you can
What's
take.
this one? That's a muffin, right?
Yeah, some kind of a muffin or a bar, and the drinks, coffee, teas. How you guys doing? Okay, well, let's continue down. Look at the flowers, huh?
I know, aren't they gorgeous?
Beautiful flowers. Here's what they call the English cottage. It's on the way down the pond here. More cottages up there. That looks like a newer building. That's beautiful view. So you walk down through the path. There's a dock here. You can take out some boats. I assume you rent them. Look at that view of Mount Monadnock, Nancy.
Can you get a picture of Mom and Anna?
There's a bunch of paddle boats. I don't see them out there, do you?
Here's a paddle boat right there.
So we're heading up from the pond, going back to the main lodge again. I think we've covered all of this, East Hill Farm. So Nancy, here we are sitting at our daughter and son-in-law's house. We'd originally come over yesterday to watch the 2 dogs, one of which is in normal position, sitting next to Nancy on the couch sleeping. The other one just roaming around and stopping and sleeping.
Yeah, our
And-
daughter and son-in-law had a wedding to go to, so we said we'd dog sit for them.
So we were supposed to just be here until they get back from the wedding, and then we were going to head home.
Yeah.
As many of you know, our daughter is expecting sometime this week. Well, little do we know that she would run into the baby, what do you call it?
She was having contractions.
Having contractions, and she was actually, we didn't think she was ready to go to the hospital, but it turned out by late last night she was ready to go to the hospital. So she went in. So we are with the dogs again, and they're still sitting in there. They've been sitting in there now for about 8 to 10 hours, still waiting. And we're waiting for the word on when our new grandchild is born.
It'll be today. We just don't know when, but it'll definitely be today.
What we'll do is later on, we will bring you updates, probably after the baby's born.
And we'll let you know if we have a granddaughter or a grandson, because nobody knows what they have in. They didn't find out.
So stick with us. Well, the baby's not here yet, but we have been recruited to, I guess, the granddogs, the grand dog sit.
This is Milton and this is Addie.
Okay, so Milton's the white one,
Milton's
the male,
Yeah, he's a
and Addie's the
dog.
female.
She's a Bernedoodle.
And we look at these two as our Lady and the Tramp, right, Nancy?
Yeah, Lady and the Tramp. That's what you two are.
So you'll be seeing these dogs around a lot. You've probably seen them in our TikToks and our shorts.
They're very good doggies. Yeah. Somebody just...
Look at Milton.
Sorry. Can I have a kiss? Kiss? Oh, you want another treat? Oh, what are you doing?
Nancy taught Addie to lift her paw when she wanted a treat, and now she's...
You stay, Addie, stay. I'll get you a treat. Stay. Come on, Addie, what are you going to do? She's drooling. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? What? Yes, so good. You're such a good girl. You know that. Our baby's coming. You're such a good... You know, the guy that grooms them... He grooms you. You're so sweet. I just look at her. She took my spies. She's so cute. Daddy. Milton, let's see if he wants to eat. Milton, you want your food? Milton, you want your food? Hello. Milton. Good morning. Oh, you're gonna come up here? Oh, you good boy. How about you? Do you want to come up here? Yeah? No? Oh. Oh, look at the Addie trick. What do you want? Oh. What do you want? Do you want a treat? What do you do for it? Oh. What do you want? What about the other paw? Oh, good girl. Good girl. All right, no more snacks.
Well, thanks for joining us in episode 3. And next episode, episode 4, we will share with you the gender of the new grandchild.
And remember, stay young and have fun.